Hello, my name is Riley Lyons, and this is my content review. I am reviewing the Social Studies Content Standard of SSK CG2, which is describe examples of positive character traits exhibited by good citizens such as honesty, patriotism, courtesy, respect, pride, and self-control. A citizen, noun, is defined as a person living in a particular town, state, and/or country, especially one entitled to its privileges or franchises. And then I have a video clip here that is going to take us to this. The character word for All right, and then I'm going to define the different attributes that are contributing towards good citizenship. We're going to start with honesty. A noun is defined as truthfulness, sincerity, or frankness. Patriotism, a noun, is defined as devoted love, support, and defense of one's country, national loyalty. Courtesy, a noun, is defined as excellence of manners or social conduct, polite behavior. Respect, a verb, is defined as to show regard or consideration for. Pride, a noun, is defined as a becoming or dignified sense of what is due to oneself or one's position or character. Self-respect or self-esteem. Self-control, a noun, is defined as control or restraint of oneself or one's actions, feelings, etc. Sample learning target. An example of a learning target that could be used with this content standard would be, I can explain what it means to be a good citizen. Prior knowledge. Areas where your student may already have some prior knowledge towards mastering this content standard include that students likely already know some attributes of being a good citizen, such as sharing, being kind to one another, no bullying, having good manners, etc. Some discussion ideas that you can involve your students with to help them learn about good citizenship would be, what does it mean to act with or demonstrate honesty, courtesy, self-control, etc.? How does this trait actually sound and look like in our lives? What are some examples of this trait among students at this school? What actions are the opposite of this particular character trait? And then ways to encourage good citizenship among your students include assigning responsibilities to your students, reading books with civic virtues, promote involvement in your local community, and teach basic civic engagement lessons. Thank you.